Hello everyone, welcome back to EcoFrame. In today's video, I am going to show you how to turn any image into a realistic AI video for free. If you have been wondering how creators make photos come to life with smooth animation, you are in the right place. At the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own AI videos in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Firstly, you go to your browser, whatever browser I use Chrome. So you go to your Chrome. So the app I'll be using for this tutorial is called Dgen AI. So you click on your search bar and then search Dgen AI. So that's it here. So you click on this first one with this logo here. Click on it, and then it will take you to their website directly. So you click on the sign up this here. You sign up for free. Click on sign up for free, and then I prefer using sign up with Google instead of putting email and all of that. So I sign up with Google directly, and then I use my email here. Click on the email you want to use. So continue. And it will bring you back to their website. So let me check on the credits. I don't really know so okay, they gave 180 credits per day, so it's per day. So once you use the 180 credits, then it's done. You have to wait for the next day. So you should know how to find your way out of that. So then the next step is to import your image, any image you want to use. Import it. So I already have the image I want to use. Let me use this. So done. So it will load. Yeah. So after loading, then whatever you want your image, whatever description you want to give your image, so you give it. Then you type whatever you want. Let me just say, let me use this. So after writing your prompt, then you generate. Click on generate. Then you wait for it to load. So it's taking to take us something minutes, or something seconds rather, for it to load. So you wait for it to load. Then your video is out. So let's click on it and check what our result is. So can you see? Once you are satisfied with the video, then you download it here. See the download sign here. Then you download it. It's loading. Downloaded. So can you see? Then open it here to check. So the result. And that is how you can turn any image into an amazing AI video for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EcoFrame for more tutorials, for more AI tutorials, AI tools, and automation tips every week. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I will do my best to. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.